Hey guys, in this video we're going to be installing MetaMask and creating our very first Ethereum wallet. So what MetaMask is, it's basically a Ethereum wallet browser extension that allows you access to the Ethereum blockchain as well as decentralized applications or applications built on Ethereum. This is good if you want to interact with DeFi or just simply send tokens easily out of your browser without having to load up some centralized exchange. Now keep in mind, your assets are in your custody. MetaMask does not hold your funds. They do not have access to them. Nobody has access to your MetaMask funds except you. So once you go to the official MetaMask website, you're going to click whatever applies to you. In my case, I'm using Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and hit install for Chrome. You're going to add to Chrome and then click add extension. Now after it loads, it should bring up a welcome screen for MetaMask. You'll see this cute little fox here. It means that you've made it. Go ahead and click get started. If you already have a seed phrase, meaning you set up a wallet somewhere else, you can import it here and you should be good to go. In our case, we're going to create a wallet. Now at this point, you're able to let them collect data on you. It's supposed to be, non-invasive. Nothing that exposes your privacy. However, I don't trust it, so no thanks. You're going to want to create a password next. So type in your password. I'm going to use password. Now the reason I'm only using password is this password does not give anyone access to your funds. This password is only there to protect someone breaching your computer and then accessing your MetaMask. So someone from their home can't open up MetaMask, type in password, and boom, they have access to your wallet. It does not work like that. The only way is if someone came into my house right now, knocked me out and logged onto my computer and then typed in this password on my extension, then they would have access to my funds. So I do recommend you make it a secure password, but I'm not, it doesn't have to be a 64 character password with all different digits and numbers and letters. Just do what you gotta do there. So this is the important password essentially here. These 12 words give someone complete access to your funds, right? You don't need a username, you don't need an email, you don't need a password. These 12 words give full access to your money. So you do not want to make a YouTube video that exposes these words. You do not want to take a picture of these on your phones so you can back them up. Don't save these in a text document on your computer. Do not save these as a photo on your computer. You only want to write these down on paper with a pencil or pen, whatever, and store them somewhere as safe and secure as possible. You might as well treat these as gold bars because remember, if someone has these words, they have full access to your funds. After you've securely backed them up, you're going to want to input them in the right order again. This is just so MetaMask can confirm that you backed up and secured this phrase, which once again gives full access to your Ethereum funds. After you've inputted them again, congratulations, you have set up your wallet and you're good to go. Now, to access in the future, you can always click the little fox up here. It'll display your account. Any transactions will show down in here. Your ETH balance will show here. Your tokens will show in the menu sidebar here. You can copy your address. Now this address right here, the 0x0, this is your Ethereum public address. Now anyone can send money to this address and it will show up directly in your MetaMask. You can alternatively hit deposit, view account, it'll blow up your account again, show you the QR code. Long story short, your Ethereum wallet is now ready to go. You just need Ethereum and everything's set. So once you have Ethereum, you can go ahead, keep this extension installed and start browsing decentralized applications or DeFi and start using it today.